Hi everyone, welcome to this Node.js tutorial series. In today's video, we want to exactly know what Node.js is. We will cover what Node.js is, why it exists, who uses it, and how it fits into the web development world. By the end of this video, you have a clear understanding of Node.js and why it is so popular. So let's start with the basic definition of Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. That means Node.js allows you to run JavaScript outside the browser. Node.js was created by Ryan Dahl in 2009. He noticed a problem. He noticed that web servers were not handling a lot of connections effectively or efficiently. Most servers handled one request at a time. If one request was slow, everything else would slow down. So he created Node.js to solve this problem using non-blocking I/O. In simple words, Node.js can handle thousands of connections at the same time without getting stuck. So with all of this, you can understand that Node.js allows you to run JavaScript outside your browser. Normally, JavaScript was only for browsers. You could only write JavaScript that run inside Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, as the case may be. But Node.js became a general purpose programming language. You can now build servers, build APIs, build apps, command line tools, and much more with JavaScript. So with that being established, let's talk about how Node.js actually works. Imagine Node.js like a restaurant. That's one waiter, which is of course the single thread we talked about. The waiter takes your order and sends it to the kitchen, which is of course in the background. While your food is being prepared, the waiter takes other customers' order. When the food is ready, he brings it to you. The waiter does not wait for your own food to get ready before he takes other customers' order. So from the narrative, in Node.js, the waiter is the event loop. The kitchen is the background tasks like reading files, talking to database, or making network calls. None of these processes stops for another. They all work asynchronously, making sure all the tasks are done. So let's look at the key features of Node.js. We say Node.js is asynchronous and event-driven. What do we mean by this? The Node.js responds to events and doesn't wait for tasks to finish before moving on. 2, we say Node.js is very fast. Of course, it's built on Google's V8 engine, so you expect it to be very, very fast. 3, we say Node.js is single programming language, which means you can build both the front end and the back end using just JavaScript. There is a feature in Node.js called the NPM, which is of course the Node Package Manager. It is a huge collection of libraries and packages ready for you to use. And finally, we say Node.js is cross-platform. You can run your Node.js on Windows, you can run your Node.js on Mac OS, you can run your Node.js on Linux OS. So before we end this video, we want to discuss where Node.js is being used. I mean the use cases of Node.js in today's world. So you all will agree with me that Node.js shines in the web server. When you're building fast and scalable application, you want to build fast APIs and websites, Node.js shines in that area. And also Node.js shines in real-time applications. If you're building applications for chat, like chat apps, or even applications like your WhatsApp, your Facebook Messenger, any application that requires instant messaging, Node.js shines so well there. If you want to build a microservice, Node.js is good for microservices, splitting big applications into smaller services for maintenance and scalability. IoT devices, Internet of a Thing, you want to build an embedded system, Node.js comes in. Internet connected gadget, CLI tools, which of course is the command line programs like NPM itself, Node.js does it well for you. So finally, we're going to compare Node.js with other traditional servers. From what you can see here, we're comparing both the features, and we're comparing the traditional servers, just like PHP, and we're comparing them with Node.js. First, you can see the threading. If you go to the traditional servers, we have they are multi-threaded, but Node.js is just single-threaded, right? We talk about the I/O handling. The traditional servers are blocking, just like we explained earlier. Node.js are non-blocking. They are asynchronous. None of the actions wait for another to complete. Scalability, traditional servers will give you a medium scalability, but the Node.js will give you a very high scalability. Talking about speed, Node.js gives you a very fast application, very fast server, but the traditional server gives you just a normal speed. Talking about language, Node.js is built on JavaScript, and other traditional servers are built on languages like PHP or even your Java. So there is this question that is common with people starting out in Node.js. They will always ask, is Node.js good for beginners? So my answer is yes, it is a great choice for beginners. If you already know some JavaScript from front-end development, of course you can jump into backend with Node.js easily, and that is why we are creating this series for you, where we're going to walk you from zero to hero, from 0 to 1 in Node.js. You don't need to learn a whole new language like PHP, you don't need to learn Python, you don't need to learn Java. If you're coming from the web and you're good with JavaScript, Node.js is the best place to go. So summarily, I'm going to do a recap of what we discussed in this video. We said Node.js lets you run JavaScript outside the browser. We say it is fast, scalable, and non-blocking. We said it was created by Ryan Dahl in 2009. Of course, it is perfect for APIs, real-time applications, and microservers. And finally, it is powered by Google's V8 engine. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you understand what Node.js is, how it works, and why we should go for it. In our next video, we're going to talk about installing Node.js in our application, and from there we're going to hit the ground running and see how we can build full applications with our Node.js. See you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and of course, let's keep growing the community. Bye for now.